Had you ever wondered what those chewy black balls are in your bubble tea? Today, we're diving into the science and history of tapioca pearls. Tapioca pearls are small balls made from tapioca starch, derived from the cassava plant. They're commonly known as boba or pearls in bubble tea. The size of these pearls ranges typically between 5 to 10 millimeters, adding a unique texture and fun element to the drink. To give them their traditional black color, tapioca pearls are cooked with sugar or honey. This process also enhances their flavor and chewiness. Homemade boba pearls can be made with just 3 ingredients: sugar, tapioca starch, and water, making them naturally gluten-free. The popularity of bubble tea has grown worldwide, leading to various flavors and sizes of boba pearls, each enhancing the unique taste experience. From their humble origins in Taiwan to global cafes, tapioca pearls have become a beloved ingredient, bringing both texture and joy to bubble tea lovers everywhere. So next time you enjoy your bubble tea, remember the simple yet fascinating process behind those chewy pearls. What's your bubble origins? Favorite type of boba? Share in the comments.